Hi guys, Christine here with Essentially Styled. Today I just wanted to come on and do a quick review of the Winter 2020 FabFitFun box. As I've said before, I've been really happy with the purchases. I would not pay retail, and I will tell you what the retail price would be for these items. It's not something, I'm not typically a pay retail person anyway. I look for the bargains, but I really do think these, I haven't been disappointed with any box overall. Maybe one or two items I've been less than thrilled with, but still think every box has been worth it. So we'll quickly go over this one because I really want to use these things. And I'm going to start with the pendant necklace. Now, when I go in, I pay by the year instead of per shipment. You get 4 a year, 1 per season, and it's $49. $39 your first time if you use my link, and then after that it's $49 if you wish to continue. So I pay $49, and I save a little bit by paying for the whole year. Plus I also get to choose items. I get to go in and pick between this or this. So I get my preference of what items. I did it blindly for the first couple boxes, and wasn't terribly disappointed, but there were a couple times I'm like, oh, I wish I had gotten that one instead. And then realized that if you paid for the subscription for the whole year, you can choose. They let you go in ahead of time and pre-select and customize your box. So I was able to do that, and this is one of the pendant necklace is one of the things that I selected to customize. It's just a really pretty, it's a double chain. Nice quality. Now, this is one of those that retails, it says for $115. Would I pay $115 for that? But really nice pendant necklace, and I really like it, so I will use that a lot. Let's see. The bag. You usually get something, either a tote or a bag or something related. And this was, I could choose a backpack type bag or this one. And this is a Bottier, I'm not sure if I'm saying that, New York. It's a nylon bag, and these zippers are for decoration only. There is no, I don't even think you could put a pencil in there. So, but I like fringe type things, so that kind of fits the bill for that. But it's pretty deep. I do like the fact that the bottom is pretty wide. So there's significant space for books, if you, a computer if you want. There are some pockets inside, double pockets on one side and one large zip pocket on the other. So I like it. It's got a zip closure, and again, it's got the little fringe tags. So I like that one. It says it retails for $128. I don't think so, but I do like it a lot. Ooh, excuse me. Let's see, I'll save that for later. This was let's see, it's a mason jar hydration water bottle, basically. But it comes with a nice plastic lid with a flip top that you can do. It's got a place for a carabiner or some place to secure that. And then it's got this cozy, and then it's also a marked, so you can through 2 cups, so you can track your water intake. And then it has this nice little insulated cozy if you're going to have it iced or hot, which you could do, although with glass you need to be careful about having it too hot. But mason jar water bottle, so I like that. Let's see, this also along the, oh, and that was, sorry, I didn't give you a price on that. That one would be retail at $35, which probably is pretty close to, I would think, what most of those things would be. This one was kind of neat. This is also one I got to choose, and it was a hip cutlery case. So as an avid backpacker and camper, I'll see if I can get it open. Oh, there's a notch, that's why. So it's secured with a little notch. So once you open it, it's basically a utensils, fork, spoon, and knife. And if you look really close, you can see there's a pattern there. But hard plastic, I think it will come in handy for our meals on the go or in backpacking. You could carabiner that easily to your backpack. So I like that, and that would retail at $15, and I would say you would pay at least that for a set like that at REI or Cabela's or something like that. So there was that. This was a Hive sleep. It's not a mask. It's more like a sleep spray, and you can spray your pillows, your sheets, and it does smell. I took liberty of smelling it earlier. It's got lavender and what were the other ingredients? Rice water, witch hazel, lavender oil, rice water. It says, formulated with the powerful ingredients that relax your senses and soothe your skin. Calming lavender scented mist creates a tranquil sleep environment while promoting healthy complexion. So you could spray this on your face, eyes closed, or just spray your sheets from a distance. And it did. It kind of smells spa-like. So I like that. It retails for $22, which is not unreasonable. So there was that. And then this was a Crease Release, the laundress. I don't know if you can see if I come in there. Yeah, it's backwards, but so a wrinkle releaser. I've used Downy wrinkle releaser before, which works amazing if you have not tried that. So I think this will be nice. I do like the scent of this one, but it's not strong, but it does smell fresh, laundry fresh. So I really like that one. So I'll probably keep that in my closet and use it for last minute touch-ups. Although I'm a huge steamer and I plan to do a video on steaming as opposed to ironing. I haven't ironed in ages. But that'll be a nice addition to my closet. And then there's this Milk Glow, which I had no idea what it was at first. I know there's a glare on that package because it's really shiny. But it's basically a bronzer highlighter. So I'll go ahead and it retails for $19.50, so about $20. Did I catch the... Oh, the wrinkle release was $16, the crease release. So if I put, I'll just show you, I'll put a dab, and it looks like bronze paint at first. I don't know if you can see that. And then you just kind of blend that in, and it does blend, and it just gives a little bit of a soft shimmer to, like, you would put it along here as a highlighter, maybe under your brow or just over your brow, but right over your Cupid's bow, just a little bit of shine. So it's not real obvious once you blend it in. When you first put it on, it's like, oh my word, what is that? But it looks really actually very nice. So I'll be giving that a try. So let's see. Now, one of my favorite things I got. I love my wraps. Did I say how much that one was? That was $19.50. I think so. I love wraps and ponchos, and this has everything I love. I love the color. It's a real soft pinky beige, and I don't have one in this color. So it's got the place. It's not just a shawl. I mean, it's actually designed to wear as a wrap. So, and it's got the fringe, which I love my fringe. And it's a light plaid. So I love this. It's kind of like a blanket on the go, so you can take your blankets with you. But I really like it. Now it says it retails for $85, but I pay $85 for it? Probably not. Almost certainly not. But as part of a $50 box that I got, I'm really excited. But it's kind of a plaid. It's got some cream along with that really peachy pink beige. So I really like that. The brand is, oh, it's all these ones I can't pronounce. Soya, Soiankyo. So I really like that, though. It's thick, and I love that. Now, I did go and purchase, they also, when you do the subscription for the year at a time, you also have the ability to do add-ons. So if I'm struggling between like, oh, I don't know which, I like both of those, but you can only pick one, you can, a lot of the time, select the other thing to purchase in addition to your box. So you pay extra for it, but it's still at that 70 or 50% off type pricing. And again, all of these things, the spray, these are all full-size bottles. So that's just something to keep in mind. You're not getting just a sample. They are a full-size product, which is nice. But two of the things that I ordered separately that I really liked, but wasn't able to include both. One of them was this cuff bracelet that has all the different metals, even types of chains, but it's got kind of bronze, silver, gold, a couple different types of silver. So I like cuff bracelets, and I really like the mixed metals. So I will wear that, I'm sure, a lot, all year round probably. So that to me was worth it. Now that, it says, would be $135. I did not pay that much extra for it. I think it was like maybe 10 or 15 extra. So I really did like that though. The other thing I got, I love copper. I got these, it's a canister set, copper canister set in addition, and those retailed at $49. Maybe they would retail, again, I probably wouldn't pay $50 for them, but for the extra, little bit extra that I had to pay, I really like them. So these will be a nice addition to my counter. Trying to decide whether I put my coffee beans or my espresso mix. I don't know yet. So, but I will use those, and they are really, really pretty, and I like those coffee pots. So that's pretty much the box. If you have questions, let me know. I will post below my link if you want to try a box for $39. They ship every season. Basically, you get a spring, summer, fall, and winter box. And the winter box had just shipped, like I said. So, or was this the fall box? I'm sorry, this was the fall box. Did I call it the winter box? This is the fall box. So it just shipped. The winter box will be coming probably in November, I believe. So it also comes with a little magazine with ideas on how to use the items, and just some tips and just some fun little things that you can have. There's also a lot more available with FabFitFun if you want to take advantage of it, with exercise videos and tutorials and things like that you can also take advantage of if you'd like. So if you have any questions, again, let me know, and I will post the link down below. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss any further ones. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.